Ever wondered if you could transform ordinary burnt wood into extraordinary art? It's time to unlock the hidden potential within those blackened pieces. We will guide you through simple steps to create stunning masterpieces. Get ready to ignite your creativity and redefine what's possible with fire's leftovers. Learn how to turn discarded remnants into treasured keepsakes. Prepare to be amazed by the beauty hidden within the ashes. First, gather your materials: burnt wood, sandpaper, and your favorite carving tools. Safety first. Always wear gloves and eye protection when working with charred materials. Begin by gently removing loose debris with a soft brush. Next, use sandpaper to smooth rough edges and reveal the wood's natural grain. Experiment with different grits for varied textures and effects. Remember, patience is key. Let the wood guide your creative journey. Now, unleash your inner artist with carving tools to shape the wood. Start with simple designs and gradually increase complexity as you gain confidence. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They often lead to unexpected discoveries. Consider incorporating natural elements like twigs or stones for added texture. Use wood glue to securely attach these embellishments to your artwork. Let your imagination run wild and create truly unique, personalized pieces. Once your carving is complete, apply a sealant to protect the wood. This will also enhance the natural colors and grain of the wood. Consider using a matte finish for a rustic look or a glossy finish for a modern touch. Display your finished creations proudly in your home or give them as heartfelt gifts. Share your unique burnt wood art with the world and inspire others. Ready to transform your perception of discarded materials? Start creating today.